What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721, checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release August 13th. First, taking a quick look at the box. Here we have the classic OG5 box, all black lift top lid with the purple Jumpman logo right here. Cement print going around the whole bottom of the box. Taking a look at the label, white, dark Concord, and black. Let's go ahead and flip this top up, peel the paper back. Let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 5 Dark Concord. Taking a look at the top-down view of the shoe, Dark Concord sock liner, which is also present behind the tongue. Concord purple Jumpman sitting on top of the 3M tongue. Comes with the clear lace lock with the purple push pin with the white Jumpman logo sitting on the top. Got white cardboard paper sitting behind the all-white laces. Going around to the lateral side of the shoe now, white mesh sitting underneath the icy blue net, black midsoles with the purple flame on the side, milky white air bubble unit, going down to the bottoms of the shoe, all black bottom with the Jordan branding, clear herringbone traction right here on the toe and the heels, and we got the dark Concord purple Jumpman sitting right here underneath it. Going back to the heels of the shoe, no Nike Air on the back of these. This one comes with the Jumpman branding dressed in the Concord purple colorway. So that about wraps it up for a quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 5 Dark Concord. Very clean, simple colorway in my opinion. Very reminiscent of the OG Fire Red. Very, very clean, similar look in my opinion. If you are a fan of these joints and you want to pick you up a pair, you can head over to the website, fineline1721.com. I do have pairs available now and shipping out early. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, fineline1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.